विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण सिमिलॅरिटी या प्रकरणातील पुढचा भाग म्हणजे प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड देअर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल, 3 समांतर रेषा आणि त्यांची छेदिका यांचा गुणधर्म पाहणार आहोत. या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम्स अँड अँगल बायसेक्टर थेरम्स आणि त्यांच्यावर आधारित उदाहरणं आपण पाहिलेली आहेत. त्यांचाच उपयोग करून आपण तिसरी प्रॉपर्टी इथं पाहतोय, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड देअर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल्स. सो दिस प्रॉपर्टी वी सी बाय द ऍक्टिव्हिटी. एका ऍक्टिव्हिटीच्या रूपाने आपण ही प्रॉपर्टी पाहणार आहोत. सो फर्स्ट ड्रॉ 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स. पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं, आपल्याला 3 समांतर रेषा काढायच्या. सो आय ड्रॉ हिअर 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स. So look here, this is the first line, this is second, and this is third parallel lines. Label them as LMN. Label them as LMN. So I label this line L. This is M. This is the N. Then draw transversal T1. Draw transversal so that is a T1 and transversal T2. I write here transversal T2. AB and BC are intercepts on transversal T1. So look here, so I name this here, so A, here B, and here C. AB and BC, look here, so AB and BC, these are the intercepts on transversal T1s. म्हणजे छेदिका T1 वरती AB आणि BC हे काय आहेत, इंटरसेप्ट्स आहेत. So these are the intercepts on transversal T1s. That's like PQ and QR. I write here some P, Q, and R. So look here, sir. PQ and QR. This is also intercept on transversal T2. Now what we do? Find the ratio AB upon BC. What is your sir? AB upon BC. So first here we measure here AB. So first we measure here intercept AB by this Karkatak. Look here. So take the distance in Karkatak and measure by putting on the scale here. So that is 4 centimeter. How many is it? 4. So AB is equal to 4. Then we measure here BC. So that is BC how much here, sir? 3. BC is here 3. Then we measure here PQ. So it is a PQ as like here, sir. So it is also 4. So I write here, sir, PQ upon QR is equal to, that is a 4. And again I measure here QR. So it is measure here, so By taking this here sum, it is also 3. So write here sum 3. Now we share some ratio. We share some ratio. AB upon BC is equal to 4 upon 3 and PQ upon QR it is also 4 upon 3. So we find value of this ratio. So these two ratio are equal. What you find here sir? To this ratio are equal here. I write therefore AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So what do you find out here? 3 समांतर रेषा घेतल्या, 2 छेदिका घेतल्या, त्या छेदिकेवरचे 2 अंतरछेद घेतले तर अंतरछेदांचं जे गुणोत्तर आहे जो रेशो तयार होतो तो रेशो आणि दुसऱ्या छेदिकेवरचा रेशो सुद्धा समान असतो हे आपल्याला या ऍक्टिव्हिटीवरून लक्षात येतं. सो इंटरसेप्ट मेड ऑन वन ट्रान्सव्हर्सल इज इक्वल टू इंटरसेप्ट मेड ऑन सेकंड ट्रान्सव्हर्सल. So ratio of intercept on first transversal is equal to ratio of intercept on second transversals when three lines are parallel. When 3 lines are parallel. So this is we see by practicals and activity. So that is the property of 3 parallel lines and their transversals. So we see here so by practical. Now we see this activity or the statements by theoretical as a theorems. आता theoremच्या रूपात हाच गुणधर्म आपल्याला पाहायचा आहे. So we see here theorem of property of 3 parallel lines and their transversal. So we see here the property of 3 parallel lines and their transversals by using theorems. So what is the statement of these theorems? Theorem's statement काय आहे? So look here sir. The ratio of the intercepts अंतरछेदांचं गुणोत्तर made on a transversal म्हणजे एका छेदिकेवरील अंतरछेदांचं गुणोत्तर by 3 parallel lines 3 समांतर रेषेवरती एका छेदिकेवर म्हणजे 3 समांतर रेषा आहेत आणि त्या 3 समांतर रेषांना एका छेदिकेने छेदले असता तयार होणारे जे इंटरसेप्ट आहेत त्यांचा रेशो इज इक्वल टू द रेशो ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग इंटरसेप्ट मेड ऑन एनी अदर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल्स बाय द सेम पॅरलल लाईन्स. तर त्याच 3 समांतर रेषांना दुसरी एखादी छेदिका काढली तर त्या छेदिकेवर तयार होणाऱ्या अंतरछेदांचं गुणोत्तर हे पहिल्या अंतरछेदांच्या गुणोत्तरा इतकं असतं हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. सो फॉर दॅट वी ड्रॉ युअर फर्स्ट डायग्राम. व्हॉट यू ड्रॉ युअर डायग्राम. सो इन दिस डायग्राम देर आर consideration of 3 parallel lines. What is this here? 3 parallel lines. So I draw here 3 parallel lines. Look here. So I draw here 3 parallel lines. Name these 3 parallel lines here, sir. L, M, N. And transversals. So that is your sir T1 and second transversals T2. And this transversal intercept these lines. First transversal intercept at here sir point A, B, C, and here sir P, Q, R. So that is a diagram. Now we write here given part. What we write here sir? Given. So what is given here? So look here in this given line L, M, N are parallel. So I write here so line L parallel, line M parallel, line N. And what is here so? Line L parallel, line M parallel, line N. Transversal T1 and T2. T1 and T2 are transversals. T1 and T2 are transversals. Transversal T1 intersects the lines in point A, B, C. Transversal T2 and transversal T2 intersect the lines in point P, Q, R. So that is our given part. Now we write here so to prove. What do you prove here? What you prove here? Look here sir. The ratio of intercept made on a transversal by 3 parallel lines. 3 समांतर रेषेवरील एका छेदिकेने छेदले असता तयार होणाऱ्या आंतरछेदांचे गुणोत्तर. The ratio of intercept. So there are first intercept AB and second is BC. So AB upon BC. I write here some AB upon BC is equal to how many it is? Is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercept made on any other transversal. So there is T2 is another transversal, and there are intercept as like PQ and QR. The ratio of this equal to AB upon BC. So I write here some PQ upon QR. So that is our to prove part. Now we think about how to prove. So I write here some proof. So for proof, we change the diagram. For proof, we change in diagrams. So we see here so before BPT, basic proportionality theorems. So in this basic proportionality theorems, there are necessary of one triangles. So I make construction as like there are making two triangles. So look here some. I join here some PC. So that is a PC. I name this point here so D. So this is the point D. Now you get here two triangles. Look here so APC. This one triangles and PCR. This second triangles. So in this triangle, so BD is parallel and DP is also parallel. So by using this and applying DPT, we solve this proof. We solve these theorems. So look here, sir. Draw segment PC. Draw segment PC which intersect line M at point D. Which intersect line M at point D. So that is our constructions. We write here directly in the part of proof. So draw segment PC which intersect line M at point D. So that is the point D. Now observe here, there are two triangles. In one triangles first. In triangles ACP. In triangles ACP, BD parallel line AP. I write here some. In triangles ACP, look here, ACP, BD parallel AP. I write here some BD parallel AP. Therefore, by using basic proportionality theorems, you know this, AB upon BC. I write here some AB upon BC is equal to second ratio, that is a PD upon CD. So write here some CD upon CD. This is statement number 1 and a reason for this BPT. Now there is another one triangles which is here PCR. In triangles PCR. In triangles PCR. What is there, sir? DQ parallel CR. So I write here, sir, DQ parallel CR. You write here same statements. Therefore, what is here, sir? PD upon DC or CD. PD upon CD is equal to PQ upon QR. PQ upon QR. That is statement number 2 and here same reason, that is the BPT. Now observe statement number 1 and 2. Look here some area. Look here, AB upon BC is equal to PD upon CD. And his second statements PD upon CD is equal to PQ upon QR. So AB upon BC, PD upon CD, it is equal to PQ upon QR. So look here again here, so AB upon BC is equal to PD upon CD and PD upon CD is equal to PQ upon QR. So from 1 and 2, what do you write here, sir? I write here directly. Therefore, AB upon BC is equal to PD upon CD. But this PD upon CD is equal to PQ upon QR. So that is statement number 3. So that is from, you get here, so from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 you get here ratio. Now we want here, so what do you want here, sir? AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So it is not necessary to write PD upon CD. So I write only here, sir, AB upon BC is equal to PQ upon QR. So that is our proof. So that is our proof. Hence our theorem is proof also. What is theorem here, sir? The ratio of the intercept made on transversal by 3 parallel lines. 3 समांतर रेषा घेतल्यात LMN, त्यांच्यावरची छेदिका T1 आणि त्यांच्यावर तयार झालेले इंटरसेप्ट AB आणि BC यांचा रेशो AB upon BC. What is here, AB upon BC? So is equal to what is here, sir? The ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversals. मग त्याच 3 समांतर रेषेवरती दुसऱ्या एका छेदिकेवर, सो T2 is another transversal, त्या छेदिकेवर तयार होणारे इंटरसेप्ट PQ and QR. So ratio of this PQ upon QR is equal to AB upon BC. So that's way we prove these theorems. अशा पद्धतीने आपण हा थेरम आता प्रूव्ह केलेला आहे. आता या थेरमच्या आधारे आपल्याला उदाहरण सोडवायचे आहेत. In practice set 1.2, which is your in practice set 1.2, there are given some examples, you solve it. Now, depending on this, we solve your one activity. And then you solve exercise or practice set 1.2 yourself. So look here, this activity, but before this, you write all this. By using the property of three parallel lines and their transversals, we solve here one activity. And in this activity, there is given one figures and some of this text. So observe these figures and here is this question: AB parallel, CD parallel, EF. So here's AB parallel, CD parallel, EF. So three lines are parallel. If AC is equal to 5.4, so look here, see AC is equal to 5.4. CE is equal to 9, so there is CE is equal to 9. BD is equal to 7.5. BD is equal to 7.5, and you find here DF. You find here DF. So solution in the form of activity. So look here, AB parallel CD parallel EF. आपल्याला उत्तर काढायचं आहे. उत्तर कृती ऍक्टिव्हिटीच्या रूपात काढायचं आहे उत्तर. So AB parallel CD parallel EF, that is a given part. And if AB parallel CD parallel EF, we know here the ratio of intercept on first transversal is equal to ratio of intercept on second transversal. So that is a property of three parallel lines. So by using this, we get here AC upon EC. So you write here AC, and here what is here EC. So I write here EC means that is a CE. I write here CE. Then second ratio here BD upon DF. So already here DF is writing, and you write here BD. So write here BD. So what is this property? So property of three parallel lines, I write here property of three parallel lines and transversal. So by using this property, we solve this. Then put up the values. AC is equal to 5.4 and C is equal to 9. In this box there you write value of BD. So what is BD? How much here 7.5. So write here 7.5. Now you solve value of DF by cross multiplication. But there is given last step, DF is equal to, directly answer you write. But before this you write this roughly. How to roughly? Look here I write here 5.4 into DF is equal to 9 into 7.5. So for getting DF, I write here 9 into 7.5 upon 5.4. Now for a few minutes you look here 7.5, that is a 75, and that is a 5.4, that is a 54. So I write as like here 9 into 75 upon 54, and now solve this. So 9 ones 9, 9 6 54, that is a 9 ones 9 6, and 75 upon 6, that is our divisions. So take the division here as like here 6 ना आपल्याला 75 ला बघायचं आहे. So 6 ones 6, 7 minus 6, that is a 1. You write here 5, that is 15. 6 twos, that is a 12. 15 minus 12, that is a 3. You cannot divide 3, so take point here and here 0. So 6 5, that is a 13. You get remainder 0, and your quotient is 12.5. So therefore your answer is 12.5. How much here 12.5. So as like you solve here activities. As like you solve here activities. Now we see here all points related to BPT, basic proportionality theorems, angle bisector theorems, and property of three parallel lines and transversals. ह्या 3 घटकांचा अभ्यास आपण आतापर्यंतच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये केलेला आहे. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा बीपीटी बघितलं, त्याच्यानंतर अँगल बायसेक्टर थिअरम पाहिला, आणि त्याच्यानंतर द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ थ्री पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड ट्रान्सव्हर्सल्स. आता या 3 घटकांचा उपयोग करून तुम्हाला 1.2 कम्प्लीट प्रॅक्टिस सेट सोडवायचा आहे, जो यादी तुम्ही थोडा सोडवलेला आहे. आता काय राहिले त्याच्यात फक्त प्रॉब्लेम्स डिपेंडिंग ऑन दिस 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड ट्रान्सव्हर्सल्स, म्हणजे ह्या एकाच घटकावरचे फक्त एक्झाम्पल राहिले, तेवढे तुम्हाला सॉल्व्ह करायचे आहेत. तर आत्ताच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण आज फक्त प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड ट्रान्सव्हर्सल हा घटक बघितला. हा घटक तुम्हाला नक्कीच आवडला आहे आणि हा भाग आपण इथंच थांबवतोय. आपण पुन्हा भेटू याच प्रकरणातील पुढचा घटक घेऊन पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. पण अजून सुद्धा तुम्ही या यूट्यूब चॅनलला जर सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. सबस्क्राईब का करायचं आहे? कारण आपण व्हिडिओ काय दररोज अपलोड करत नाहीये. तुम्ही पुढच्या व्हिडिओची वाट पाहत असता आणि ज्यावेळी मी सेंड करणार त्यावेळी तुम्हाला तो व्हिडिओ येणार. पण जर तुम्ही सबस्क्राईब केला असेल तर ज्यावेळी मी तो व्हिडिओ यूट्यूबवरती अपलोड करणार त्याच वेळी तो तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ मिळणार आहे. त्यासाठी तुम्ही ते चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करायचं आहे. तर सबस्क्राईब करायला आणि लाईक करायला विसरू नका. पुन्हा भेटू आपण नवीन घटक घेऊन, याच प्रकरणातला नवीन घटक घेऊन पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत सर्वांना धन्यवाद. सर्वांना बाय बाय.